but we need to cut out some of this excess from the lining. Cut out some of your excess. After cutting out your excess, this is how it will look like this. Now you add gum to this edge here. Add gum and gum your lining like this on it. You add gum to the edge, to this edge. After adding gum to the edge like this, you fold in your lining. Fold it in like this. Use your hand to smoothen it. Fold it in. After folding it in, this is what it will look like. This is the front and this is the back. You pick up the other paper fiber and wrap it the way we just wrapped this one too. Wrap this one too like that. You pick your lining and start wrapping. Put your gum first. So after folding in, this is what it will look like. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now you pick your marco as well. You add your gum. You do the same thing to it. Here we'll be adding material on this one. First, add your gum on this part and add your material to it. After adding your gum like this, pick your material and place it on it. Use your hand to smoothen it. Use your hand to smoothen it. Then you turn it to the back. This is how it will look like. You can cut out some of your excess material from the cloth. After cutting out your excess, this is how it will look like. Add gum to the edge of the marco and wrap this one. Fold it in like this. Add your gum. After adding your gum, you fold your excess material. You fold it in like this. This is the back. This is the front. You do the same to your other marco. Wrap your material here and fold the excess in. After wrapping, this is our marco wrapped with our material. This is the back and this is the front. This is our lining. Our marco paper fiber wrapped with our lining. This is the front and this is the back. Now, you want to do the side of the bag like this. What you will do, anywhere you want your bag to start from, that is where you start. You measure your bag from. If you want your bag to start from here, you put your taperule from here and measure it round. Measure it round from here to come like this. Measure it round to come to this side. Then you get the number and measure it on your paper fiber. That is how we get the side of our bag. This is what I've already cut out for the side of my bag, but the width is 4. The width is 4, but you can measure any length for the side of your bag. Now we'll be adding lining to it. Add your gum to your marco, to your paper fiber. Add your gum